Hello friends, today we will be changing the batteries on this Casio G-Shock. As you can see, it has run out dry. We need to open this up and let's see how to change the batteries on this G-Shock. Let me take out these small screws right away. Using this small screwdriver. I use a screwdriver like this. I'm not exactly sure what is it called in watch terms, but it came as a part of a watch repair kit and that's what I normally use. It does a good job. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, this is a Casio GA400. It's one of the watches that I haven't been using for a while now, so let's run out dry of juice. Let's take out this plastic casing, and as you can see, that is how it looks on the inside. Let's start by taking out this sticker here, and then the actual battery is below that. This is the first time I'm changing the battery, so as expected the sticker would be a bit more tight, but it's pretty easy to take it out. There we go, it's off. And yeah, also this protective ring comes out normally, so that's fine, we can put it back. As you can see here, it's got these small clips which hold the battery in place on both the sides. So I'll just use a set of pliers to take it out. There you go. So we have now opened the batteries cover and we can just take out both the batteries now. Okay, I will also try to take out that one. This battery, I don't know if you can read it. It says SR927W. So that's the replacement battery we need, 2 of those. Okay friends, so there is the replacement battery, SR927WSW. It's also called 399, 395 equivalent. So let's replace these 2 batteries in here. Let's put them in. And just close the cover. We can also put the sticker back now. It does mention on the sticker that we have to kind of connect the pliers on both the batteries just in order to continue the circuit. I've never realized what it does really, but I always do it since it's mentioned on the, and as you can see, we have power. So let's put the protective covering back and Also you just need to take your time to put the ring in. Most of the times it's pretty easy, but sometimes it has given me some difficulty. Let's put this cover in the way it came out, and let's put the case back. Just need to ensure the screws are tight enough. We don't want any water to get into it, so tighten it as much as possible. Okay, so there you go. One GA400 up and running, working as it should. I will be creating another video just to show you how to set up the date, time, everything, all those details on this watch. That will be in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.